Hey everyone, we're going to write hexagons or polygons with 6 sides in if-then form, which is called the conditional. And then we're going to write the converse, the inverse, and the contrapositive statements. Before we get started, let's just go over this. The conditional is the if-then. That's like if P, then Q. Well, it goes there. If P, then Q. So basically what we're doing is we're taking, for example, if we use the polygon one, this one. If a polygon has 4 sides, then it's an equilateral. All right, the converse is you switch the conclusion with the hypothesis. So if you look at this, we're still going to write if a polygon, but then we're going to say it is an equilateral. So we're changing the hypotenuse, the hypothesis. Then it has 4 sides. So what we're really doing is we're saying if Q, then P. You're replacing the P's with the Q's. So the P is replaced with Q, and the Q is replaced with P. All right, next. The inverse goes with the conditional. And I remember the conditional because that's if-then. That's an if-then statement. They both start with I's, inverse and if. So basically for that, you just take this and negate everything. So it's if not P, and you usually write it with a little tilde mark. If not P, then not Q. All right, so you copy this down, and all we're adding is not. And then for the contrapositive goes with the converse. They both start with C. Just remember, conditionals really if-then. So you're replacing, the P is replaced with the Q. Both are negated. So it's just like the P is replaced with the Q and the Q is replaced with the P. So basically you're just taking this one and writing if not Q, then not P. So I'm taking this statement and I'm just adding not to it. All right, so let's do our statement. And I wrote it out. So basically, if hexagons are polygons, then they have 6 sides. So all I did was add the if and also add they there. All right, now the converse means I'm going to still write this first part, if polygons, but then I'm going to write have 6 sides, and then they are polygons. And the inverse goes with the conditional. Remember, this is your if-then statement, the conditional. So I just copied this statement down. Let me just erase this. I copied this down and I added not. Also added this do there, do not. All right, and the contrapositive goes with the converse. So I just copied this statement down and I just added the not. And that's how you write these out. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.